Lens replacement process. Clean up the dust on cutting head surfaces. Seal the nozzles with masking tape. Place the masking tape on top of the protective mirror drawer to prevent dusting. Unscrew the protective mirror drawer counterclockwise on the protective mirror drawer. Withdrawal of protective mirror drawer. And immediately seal the cutter head with a piece of masking paper cutting head. Replacement of new protective mirrors. Hands should not touch the protective lenses. Put in the lens. Tear off the protective paper. And put in the sealing ring. Locking knob. Seal the protective mirror drawer with textured paper to prevent dust from entering through the gaps.